78% of Filipinos are satisfied with the way democracy works and prefer it to any other kind of government. The Social Weather Stations or SWS survey was held March 23 to 27 but released only on Tuesday, June 12, Independence Day. This is 2 points lower than the 80% recorded June 2017 and statistically the same as the 79% in June 2016, the tail end of the previous administration. It was a different story in June 2004 after the controversial victory of Gloria Arroyo against Fernando Poe Jr. in the presidential elections, when Filipino satisfaction with the way democracy works was at 44%. The March 2018 survey results also show that 60% of Filipinos believe that democracy is always preferable to any other kind of government. In contrast, 19% believe that under some circumstances, an authoritarian government can be preferable to a democratic one, while 21% felt it didn't matter whether the Philippines remained a democracy or not. The major issues in the weeks leading to the survey included House hearings on the impeachment complaint against then Chief Justice Maria Lourdes Sereno, and President Rodrigo Duterte's position on having joint exploration of the West Philippine Sea or South China Sea with China. The survey was conducted ahead of the successful ouster of Sereno through a quo warranto petition filed by Solicitor General Jose Calida.